There's a memory you'd bet money on, a birthday, a first day, the moment someone said something that changed everything. You can see it, the light, the room, the feeling. Here's the uncomfortable part. There's a real chance it didn't happen the way you remember. And the more certain you are, the less that certainty is worth. Your brain doesn't store memories like a video file. There's no footage on a hard drive waiting to be played. In 1932, psychologist Frederick Bartlett had people read a story, then retell it again and again. Each version got shorter, neater, more normal. People quietly rewrote the parts that didn't fit what they expected. His conclusion, remembering isn't replay, it's reconstruction. Every time you recall something, your brain rebuilds it from fragments and fills the gaps with guesses that feel exactly like truth. And those guesses are easy to hijack. In 1974, Elizabeth Loftus showed people a film of a car crash, then asked how fast the cars were going. She changed one word, hit versus smashed into. People who heard smashed reported higher speeds, and a week later, many remembered seeing broken glass. There was no broken glass. One word, planted after the event, edited what they saw. Your memory takes notes after the fact, and it'll write down things that were never there. It gets worse. You can plant an entire event that never happened. Loftus and her team described 4 childhood memories to adults, 3 real, 1 fabricated, getting lost in a shopping mall as a kid. Around a quarter of people remembered it. Some added details, the panic, the smell, the kind stranger who helped, a full, vivid memory of something that never occurred, built in a lab, in days. But surely the big emotional moments are safe. The ones burned in? No. The morning after the Challenger explosion in 1986, researchers had students write down exactly how they heard the news. 2.5 years later, they asked again. The accounts were wildly different. Wrong place, wrong people, wrong everything. Here's the part that should bother you. The students were highly confident their new, wrong version was correct. Some refused to believe their own handwriting. Confidence isn't proof your memory is right. It's just a feeling. And the cruelest part, the memories you replay the most are the most edited. Every time you pull a memory up, it goes briefly unstable before your brain restores it. A process called reconsolidation, which means each replay is a chance to overwrite it. The story you've told 100 times, it's been rewritten 100 times. The memories you love most, you've damaged most. So, what does that leave you? Your past isn't a recording you carry. It's a story you're constantly retelling and quietly editing to make sense of who you are now. That doesn't make it worthless, but it does mean certainty is not evidence. The next time someone remembers it differently than you, sit with the possibility that you're the one who's wrong, because the most confident voice in the room is sometimes just the best storyteller, and sometimes that storyteller is you.